As your organization grows, managing users individually becomes difficult. Groups allow you to segment your workforce by department, location, or project. To get started, navigate to People, then select Groups in the Admin Portal sidebar. The main page displays your existing cohorts as distinct cards. To build a new group, click the blue New Group button. Select a type, like Project Team. Give it a clear name and click Create Group. Clicking into any group opens its management view. The default Overview tab provides high-level metrics showing the total number of learners, active enrollments, and assigned managers at a glance. To control who belongs to this group, switch to the Learners tab. Click the Add Learner button, search your user base, and click the plus icon to instantly add them. If you want a lead to monitor their team's training progress, navigate to the Group Leads tab. Click Add Lead and select one from the list. This grants them access to the dedicated Group Lead portal, where they can track compliance specifically for this team without needing full admin access. The Enrollments tab provides a consolidated view of every course being taken by members of this group. You can use the drop-down menu to filter by active, completed, or canceled statuses to quickly identify who might be falling behind. Finally, the Settings tab allows you to update the group's foundational details. If a project ends, you can scroll down to the Danger Zone and click Delete Group. Simply copy and paste the group's name to confirm. Deleting a group only removes the organizational tag. It will never delete the users inside or their course progress.